hit a tooth. Ow. Good morning, babes. How you doing today, babe? How cute are my little clips? I feel like a Glossier girl now. I always thought stuff like this was just for show or pictures, but they really do the job. Anyway, good morning everyone. I hope you're all having a really lovely day so far when you're watching. Can you hear that car alarm? Did I leave my balcony open? Oh my gosh, talking of leaving doors open, you guys, Jesus Christ. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me talk about this in my stories, but I've been having, well, I say I've been having, I haven't had one since touch every single piece of wood in the room. I had like 3 sort of sleep paralysis-y episodes in the last month, and they have been absolutely horrendous. And to make things even weirder, right, so let me backtrack a bit. I fall asleep watching YouTube videos every single night, but always just out of my subscription box. I will honestly just tap any single one, turn it down to the minimum volume just so I have a little bit of background noise. I feel like everyone does that. Those people do it with like rain sounds or something. I don't know why, for some reason like the noise of rain freaks me out, or like the rainforest sound ones freak me out, because then I'm like so aware that I'm listening to it to get myself to sleep or to distract myself from having a sleep paralysis, that I feel like I'm inviting demons, like a demon's hearing it and being like, bitch, you thought you were sleeping tonight. So anyway, I'm falling asleep. I don't know, maybe it's a Madison Sarah Zara haul, maybe it's a Rachel Leary spend the day with me. And I wake up this morning because basically another really sad time. The pipe of the hot water tap in my guest bathroom, which is the only bathroom in my flat that has a bath in, this bathroom only has a shower in. And if you know me, I'm a bath girl through and through. I would have a bath 3 times a day if I had the time. So anyway, the pipe for that with the hot water has started leaking. And I gotta get plumbers in, and I'm not allowed a bath till they come in. So I had a man come over at 8 AM this morning, which I also fell asleep at 4 last night. Do you know what? I just don't... My face is swollen 24/7 because I just don't sleep. You know what, this is a whole conversation for another day, because I get a question all the time of people going to me, what happened to your face? Which firstly, that's quite a rude question to ask, but secondly, I'm very aware, like my face has changed so much over this last month. The shape of my jaw, my eyes look so much smaller because they're so puffy all the time. I'm gonna film a get ready with me soon because I'm doing something about it, but I was really stressed out a little while ago, okay? Right, how have I gone on to this? Jaw is so swollen, my cheeks are so swollen, everything is just like... But anyway, it's a whole conversation for another time, but I am doing something about it and I'm like documenting it. Oh yeah, literally no one gives a shit, Flossie, get onto it. So anyway, I wake up at 8 this morning because I've got someone coming over to have a look at it, because there was basically like a leak in the flat below me. Sus, babe. And when I wake up, there's this rain noise, and I'm thinking, where on earth is that coming from? And it's coming from my phone. So I go on my phone and it says 8 hours of... This one really like cherry on top for me. So I go onto my YouTube app and there's a rain playlist on, and I'm like, oh, that's weird, how did I get here from like a Zara haul, you know what I mean? Basically I have YouTube Premium. I don't know whether this is just a YouTube Premium feature, but you can like go back. It has like a back video onto like the previous video. So I skip back and I keep skipping back, and it's just rain and rain and rain and rain and rain and rain noises again and again and again. And I've only slept for 4 hours. I've only slept for 4 hours. This is a quadruple shot coffee, and I've had 2 caffeine pills this morning. How's your morning going? So I keep skipping back to see how I got there, and it's just endless rain videos. And also I don't sleep with my phone in my bed next to me. I prop it up against my jewellery box so that the light isn't too bright in my face. Who or what put those rain videos on? There was no search of rain in my search bar. There's no way I could have rolled over onto my phone to turn it on. Why was there hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of rain videos watched? And why do I feel like some demon is gonna come behind? Ah! No! I can't. I really can't. No. Ah! Ah! My neighbours are gonna be so concerned. Fuck off, entities. Maybe I am leaning more towards the idea that this apartment is haunted. I'm haunted. But then I was also talking to my mum about it, and sleep paralysis can kind of like fester itself when you're like stressed or you go through a stressful thing. But anyway, good morning, how are you doing? We're gonna spend the weekend together. This weekend I don't have any concrete plans, so we're just gonna take things as they come, and it's gonna be a very honest, real, raw, uncut into Floss Balls' life. You know, Ben Morris calls me Floss Balls. Love him. In actual fact, Ben Morris is back in the UK. You heard it here first, lady. Another thing, Chloe Ferry was in Rain last night. Chloe Ferry, queen of mine and Lewis's heart, and I wasn't there. One time I'm not there. I'm sorry, Usain Bolt was there too. Fuck Usain Bolt. No, not fuck Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, pretty respectful man, but Chloe Ferry, I don't know what I would do with myself. Probably cry. Today's main agenda is nail day. Nail day is my favourite day of the week. 2 weeks, I don't know, however organised I am to not let them get to this state. They're currently thriving. This set was really fun, but I'm ready to go back to like my pinky red. One of my favourite nail designs I've ever had was just the simple red hearts, and I also love how enthusiastic we all get about nails together. I'm such a nails girl through and through. Nails, rings, fussy hands, it just... my muse. Wow, that was a really good use of vocabulary. Also took a look in the mirror after filming those clips, and woof, my hair is frizzy. I need to sort that out. Little bit of morning Pablo content. I'm also going to whiten my teeth today. I've been really off my whitening game recently, so this weekend I'm going to get back on it. I feel like it's one of those things you just have to remember, and it's so easy to do, and just like put on a whitening strip whilst you're like pottering around the house in the morning, getting your outfit together, etc. I'm also so excited to announce that this next little bit of the video is sponsored by Spotlight Oral Care. I've been using Spotlight for about a year now, and their teeth whitening strips are sensational. Something I like about them so much is that they are clear. In fact, you know what, I'm going to show you how to put them on. Yes, girl boss queen. Spotlight is actually formulated and set up by 2 female Irish dentists. Female owned business, we love to see it. In this box I've got the toothpaste, which is the whitening toothpaste, which I really like to use just like morning and night to keep them white. You have a strip for your upper teeth and then a strip for your lower teeth. No, it's raining. Oh, I was planning on walking into Covent Garden today. Pretty ambitious of me. How can I do this? As I said, you have your upper strip and your lower strip. Something else I really like about these whitening strips is that they are clear. Even if you have like a Zoom meeting, or if you're in uni, you have like an online lecture, you can kind of get away with wearing them. Obviously they make you a little bit lispy, but they're not as like whoa as those charcoal strips. We've all seen those, we've all experienced those. Terrifying. Obviously the more you use these, the better your results are going to be, but I genuinely notice results with these after 1 use. You leave them on for an hour, and to get maximum results, use them for 2 weeks. I'm going to have a discount code on screen here. Once again, thank you so much to Spotlight for sponsoring this video. I'm really excited to work with a brand that I love so much, and thank you guys for watching me and supporting me and allowing me to work with brands that I do love. How easy was that? They always say making your bed is like the first step to having the most productive day, and as much as I hate to admit it, it really is true. Quick outfit change. Something on my lens. Dropping that Naco, got to let Pablo. That song was actually written about me. Chucked a little Adenola tracksuit on. Some green Jordan. What was that? Bella Hadid. Homeboys coming through with these. Homeboys gonna get it. That is not even right. Gonna walk out the door now, hop on the tube. I think I'm hopefully gonna do a little bit of shopping for my nail appointment, but the sky is not looking too happy. But then it's like kind of warm outside, so I don't want to throw a jacket on. It took me so long to decide what to wear, and I resorted to a tracksuit. Okay, I'm sorry, let's go. We've even whipped out the big boy bags today. Serious shoppers only. Ew, bin smell. Back at my favourite place. I feel like I'm here every single YouTube video. Episode of Where is Flossie Going? I don't really know either. I too tired to even vlog when I got back in. Here are my new nails, by the way. I'll show you them in the morning. They're quite spectacular. But yeah, I'm out. Who would have thought? Deep breath. I felt better. Morning everyone, this is the morning after. I think someone just tried to call me. Hello?
Hi, could you possibly try and get those parcels when you're on your way here?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
But wait, where am I meeting you?
Also, it's only one package.
Okay, I might be a teeny tiny bit late just because this courier still hasn't come, but if they haven't come like by 5:30 I'll just leave.
Wait, what dress is it?
It's for my Yeah, true actually. Okay, see you later, bye. So yeah, I'm going to see Olivia and Lewis for some lunch. I really don't want to be eating right now because I'm not feeling too funky. Coffee is usually my main enjoyable part of the day. That just fell out my mouth. Icky. Necking it. Not for me. Right, I need to get dressed. Multitasker, making my stories because our Function of Beauty collaboration is actually coming out today. If you guys haven't got your hands on it yet, be sure to. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing. The jacket that is actually attached to me. Cute little For Love and Lemons dress. And my Crocs. And focus. Ooh. I love this art installation piece. So guys, we're back at Lewis's flat. I had a bit of a palaver getting my Uber, so I wasn't actually able to get any lunch, but we've got a meeting now.
Meeting.
Yeah, and I think we maybe potentially be going out tonight, so at least that will be something fun to look forward to.
We're going on X Factor Celebrities as a group.
No,
that's what the meeting's about.
Going down. If you want to be humble, just look in Lewis's lift. I don't think I've ever been in such an unflatteringly lit lift in my life. Yay! The sun is out. Oh, I should have walked home. So I've just booked my Uber back to mine. I'm really sorry. I feel like this morning has just been so chaotic, but hopefully I should be able to establish a little more routine to the day. I can't remember if I said earlier, but I think we're actually going to go out tonight. I know, not another one. I'm sat there and she definitely thinks I'm insane. So I guess the rest of my day is dedicated to recovering and recuperating. Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with Flossie. I've just got back home and I fancied making some sushi. My dad actually taught me how to make sushi when I was a lot younger. And yesterday I was in Chinatown and they have the best little Asian supermarkets there. It's something that really reminds me of my dad. When I was younger, we used to drive to Oxford some weekends and go to the Asian supermarkets to get like all the nice ingredients to make stuff. And I made some sushi last night, posted on my story, and loads of you guys asked me to show you. Yes, I'm in my dressing gown as well. I just had a really quick body shower. My day is just really all over the place. There's no order to this. I got myself a new rolling mat as well because my other one was looking pretty battered. So obviously I have my seaweed. You literally get seaweed from anywhere. I do actually find though that different seaweeds taste different. Is that a thing? Are there different types of seaweed? I've also just made some sushi rice. I'm kind of, guys, this is not my best. It's not that sticky. It's good to kind of prepare it in advance because obviously you have to wait for it to cool down, but I didn't have time. So I rinsed it under cold water and I think it's just kind of got rid of like all the starch in it. So it's not that sticky. God, okay, we might be making sushi rolls. Oh my gosh, talking of sushi rolls, fully aware that I just did not close off my vlog last night. I got in and I was shattered. I actually like fell asleep for a couple of hours and then I woke up just with this crazy burst of energy and whoop-de-doop, look at that, I'm in an Uber on my way out. These are my new nails as well, in case anyone was wondering. They're literally one of my favorite sets ever. On my way home, I stopped in at this place called Sushi Dog. It's like a wrap but sushi, so they just don't cut it up. It was the tastiest thing I have ever had in my life. Could have it breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm trying to remember how they did it. They kind of put it all in the middle, but do I want to do that? Do I? No. I'm too scared. I'm gonna put some cucumber down first. I really want to use avocado, but I used the last of my avocado last night. What are your guys' favorite sushi filling? I miss fish. I really miss it. Part of me's been contemplating just eating fish again for a month to get it out my system, because the way I'm craving it, it's a joke. I also cooked some vegan crispy chicken, so I'm gonna put this in as well. Bit of a katsu vibe, you know what I mean? Bit of hoisin, a lot of hoisin. Some sriracha mayo, which I feel like a lot of people don't know this is vegan. It's so good. Right, okay, moment of truth. I've never tried to do it like this, and it's pretty loaded. Get back in there. I'm sorry, I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, not too bad. Seal her up. This is sushi dog style. The sushi rolls literally come like this. Moment of truth, a moment for it to all fall out the end. This just does not look it. Fucking bangs. I mean, who wants to, oh my god, I actually am a BBL girl. These nails. Who wants to marry me? Taking applications. Actually, had to make a CV to get married. Imagine if getting married was a job. Imagine if you applied to marry someone, like you handed in a CV and a notice, and then you get paid for that. That's the way the world goes around. Wild thoughts. Oh my god, I went to turn this off at 11:11. These bitches are really looking for any signs. Nearly not a good one, nearly broke my camera. I'm actually going to go to the gym now. Unfortunately, our plans of a night out have been scrapped. Basically, Olivia's super tired. Olivia was out last night. She's super tired. She's got loads of filming and loads of work and loads of editing to do. I mean, to be fair, I have to. It's probably a bit of a blessing in disguise. So I'm turning the situation around and I'm going to the gym. I've actually been better at going to the gym recently. I saw it was good for like sleep paralysis and stuff. The gym is just good for everything. I really think I need it back in my life at the moment, just for a bit of routine, bit of stability. I've wiped all my makeup off, had a little cry. I think I'm hormonal at the moment. I don't really know what's going on. There's no way in hell I'm filming myself in the gym. There's no way in hell I'm running the risk of catching other people inside the gym. So you're gonna get a sweaty transition and I'll see you on the other side. This is gonna sound so odd, but I wish I could go red like a normal person, because all my cheeks go white and it's just the rest of my face. You see, this is white. You know when boys are like, let's work out together? Fuck off. Fuck off. I don't like having a gym buddy. I don't like working out with other people. I just want to get in there, get my head down and leave. Also, unpopular opinion, girls work so much harder in the gym. When I'm in the gym and I see a girl, she's non-stop going for the whole hour. Boys just sort of walk around and do a little take a selfie and leave. Doesn't go for all of them, but 90%. Feeling very gym savvy because I just did a whole hour of cardio. I just really wanted a big sweaty session, and then I'm also actually going on a trip soon, so I don't really want to be too sore. If I've been away from the gym for a while, which I definitely have been, I've only just really got back into it in the last couple of weeks. I really throw myself into cardio, honestly, for like the first kind of month, just to get like my cardiovascular fitness up. But yeah, God, I've never looked better. I'm gonna have a shower now. I would love to have a bath, but you guys know about my pipe extravaganza. And then I'll catch you when I'm doing something fun. It's really rude that I don't have Kim Kardashian's body after 2 weeks in the gym.
I told a big fat lie and I accidentally ended up finding myself on a night out. So here we are, let's have fun now. Spin on my wrist, little nigga. Breaking that pot and that dope gon' trip. I left a tip with your bitch, my nigga. I fuck her mouth, fuck dope, I beg. Pull up and hop out the car, trip. Fuck her the bitch, she a star, trip. Buy the boat with a thousand, trip. Try it and get knocked out. I love fashion. Go eat the death, jaws. Never shot crib, came with them all. If a nigga never got the ball, ain't gon' stop till the crib a nigga law. I can make a move a cigar. No dribble like ball. Roll up a pebble, but Kiki is bad as a law.